Hi, and welcome to Ocean AI. Today I want to have a look at the indices and where I think we could be going after what happened yesterday, and just a few thoughts. So firstly, with the S&P and the cash market, um, over the last few days I've been looking for this ABCD higher up towards 40, 50 to 4100 to fill this gap here. But it's what we had yesterday. If I go into a smaller time frame, go into 15-minute. Yesterday we got the classic after the holiday rally. Gap down and then rallied higher to close the gap. What I was looking at was this correction to be over. If I go to the cash market, not the cash market, futures market. So I was looking for this correction here to be finished here, and then to be heading lower. So we had the sharp drop. So what I was looking for was a pullback around the sort of 3800 to 3820 area. Pull back into there and then go lower. But what we got that big rally. So now looking at where we could be going now. Could be going either way. Could still be going higher, up into those levels we're looking for, or we could get one more little spike up into sort of 38.65 to 38.80, and then drop from there. So reason for that is if we look at the NASDAQ. So yeah, the NASDAQ here, if we look at this is, well, for me it seems to be a corrective rally here. And then we've had 5 waves down into this point. And then I was looking for this pullback into here to then go lower. Once again, like the S&P, I was looking for this, where the sharp drop. I was looking for a pullback and then to sell off again. But we've got this extra move higher into the 50 to 60% area here. That's this area here. So now thinking that this could be a bigger correction and this is just the end of it. Could be finishing here, or there could be one more move, maybe up to 11.9, even 12,000, which would be the 78% of this move here. Yeah, up towards, possibly up to here, but it could be done here. So just waiting to see whether we get a top in here or if we get a low and then a rally. So what we look for in this one would be, on the bullish side of things, would be pull back into sort of 11,650, around this 38% area. On the NASDAQ, if we get that down into here, sort of something that looks like this, then we could be into another leg higher. So that's the bullish side of things. The other side would be, get rid of that. So we just look at, so we just come down to here and then we get this move higher and then it turns sharply down, and then we'd look for that one going back that way. So if we get one more high here, look for that sharp sell-off and then looking for that pull back into the 50-60% of that first move down. Yeah, so if we look at the Dow's similar. Dow is looking for that move higher as well. That's the cash market. Dow's a little bit weaker, so we took out these lows here. What we didn't do on the S&P and the NASDAQ was take out this low. So for me, that seems like that correction's over. We've taken out the low. Now we're looking for a pullback to go lower again. But all depends on what sort of move we get today. But also to take in mind, we're in that change of trend window today, the 6th of July, for the monthly AI. So could be looking for a top and then a sell-off into, for a week or so. So, that's sort of how the indices are playing out today. What else can we look at? The Russell. Take a quick look at the Russell. That's in the same boat. Had that sell-off, have that corrective structure, and we're still in this corrective mode here. So that one's still in, like the Dow just took out this low here. So we're back up into that 50 to 60% area. So that could be the end of the correction and we're going to go lower. But too early to tell. There's no pattern in here to short. So I'm just going to wait to see what happens. Whether we get a slow move down to buy, or if we get a sharper move and then look for that first pullback to sell. So we'll see what happens later on, maybe tonight in the US session. We'll get a better read on that and go from there. So that's about it for the just an update on the indices for now, and then we'll see what we get later on. We can go from there. So I hope this helps. Thanks for tuning in. Cheers.